DFO of Central Forest Division in Ganesh claimed that porous border along Manipur's international border has facilitated illegal wildlife trade on both sides. He made this statement during the one-day training program on Indian wildlife laws organized by Forest Department and Manipur Police Department in collaboration with Wildlife Trust of India at Forest Office Complex, Manipuri today. DFO of Central Forest Division and Ganesh honored resource persons Advocate Lovish Sharma of High Court of Delhi and Harisha Shastri, PR Field Officer of Wildlife Trust of India's Wildlife Crime Control Division. The training, organized with support from several organizations like Serenity Trust and the Pangolin Crisis Fund, emphasized the importance of vigilance against wildlife trading and imparted essential legal knowledge regarding wildlife protection. Speaking on the occasion, Ganesh maintained that the training is designed to enhance the knowledge of forest frontline workers and police personnel regarding wildlife crimes and conservation efforts. He noted that the program specifically targets to combat wildlife trafficking by those who illegally cross borders. He also mentioned that the training will cover various aspects of wildlife enforcement. He further stated that wildlife trafficking through border trespassing can only be effectively addressed if the police department, forest department and central agencies coordinate to inform the forest department, enabling them to take appropriate legal action.
So we should know what a range officer can do, what an ACF can do, what a forest guard can do, and in Wildlife Protection Act it is meticulously given. So today's training program, we will focus much on enforcement of wildlife. The enforcement of whatever crime it may be is a big challenge. Wildlife crime particularly, we need to make them aware, particularly the police department, the security agencies of the Assam Rifles and the army who are there guarding in the borders. We need to make sure that these are the people, particularly the customs as well, these are the people who are enlightened about what kind of trade is happening and in wildlife, what are the species which has been traded.